Well, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, and we got a surprise for you today. What we have here today is a vintage key machine. I've been looking for one of these machines. I had one years ago at my shop in Pennsylvania, and I've been doing a lot of furniture and bit barrel and safe deposit box, bank keys, so I needed to get one of these. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get this machine opened up here. The guy that shipped it to me, he should be working in worldwide logistics shipping department. He built this crate for this machine, and it's an old Turrent machine. So we're going to take a look at what we have here today. Hello, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, the Lockstar superstar. He's always got something cooking down here. And in sunny South Florida, running from doing the whole South Florida coast, we've got a lot of jobs and a lot of things going on. And anything to make the job easier, we're going to go ahead and put this aside. Oh boy, get a load of this. Take a look at this. This is what is this here? These are parts right here. Here's some packaging right here. Get the packaging out of there. And here we have brand new, the original. This was brand new. He said he got this. This is the operating instructions for a 196 key duplicating machine. This is a Turrent machine. We're going to put this aside. Let's take a look at this. Ouch. Look at the boy, he really packed this beautifully. Take a look at this. Oh my. More and more stuff here. We'll get that out of here. Move this out. Gotta be careful with the screws. Oh, what a beautiful machine we got here. Take a look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful. So what we'll do, we'll have to take these screws out here on the side in order to take the brace out. As such. This guy should be the logistics shipper. I've never seen a packaging crate done this beautifully. There we go. Over there. And then there's screws on the bottom. We'll have to get the screws on the bottom out of there. Yeah, that thing is really cranked in there. Well, it dismantled the whole thing. Yeah, it's screwed right down to the end. Wow. Look at that. My God. Look at that beautiful machine. It is fantastic. It's all original. He said he bought it brand new. He's the only one that's ever used it. He worked for Diebold. And he's retired now. And he found out that Mr. Sunshine was looking for one of these machines. So we went ahead and made a fantastic deal. One more screw over here. Wow, this thing is really screwed together. a screw hole in it. So let's put it on the side. Box of parts, all the accessories. Have to get it unscrewed from the bottom. Wow, you got that bolted up really good. That bolts all the way down to the floor, all the way through it. That back down. This out. Woo! What a job. There we go. Look at that. And we'll go ahead and get it off the wood here. It's sitting there on this wood. Let's see where it's at. Well, we're going to go down to the other side. Oh, boy, is that baby heavy. Oh, my. That is one hell of a heavy machine. Woo! Don't want that thing to go loose. Okay, there we go. And that should do it. We should have it off. There it is. Boy, I never seen a packaging like that before in all my days. All right. So there we have it. Beautiful Turrent machine. Beautiful shape. Take a look at it. This actually drops back. You can pull this back and that spins the turrets to give you different wheels. This is a double-sider. This will cut regular keys. This will do a milling. This will do a flat steel, a thicker one, thicker, and right back. And then once you find the cut you want, you drop that arm back in there like that, drop this in, and boom, you're ready to cut your keys right over here. See that? So this goes back and forth. And there you have it. We have extra vices over here. Have your motor here. And we have a box with all of the equipment in here. Let's see what we got here. Gotta go this way. These would be all your vices. Look at that. All the vices, all the parts, all the equipment here. This holder, the stand, a vice, That's for the side mill slutter. That was an option. That actually goes right on the side there to do side cutting. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine, and a beautiful Turrent machine. I've been looking for that for about 22 years, and I'll be able to use that to be cutting my keys. Thank you for watching.